This is my secret to accurately measure the consistency of my paint mixes every single time. And now it is yours. With it, you'll ensure your paint mixes have the ideal fluidity for your chosen technique. Finally, you're going to be able to correctly determine the consistency of your paint mixes for the different pouring techniques. So let me show you how to use my paint consistency indicator. First, you'll have to download the printable paint consistency indicator PDF using the link that's below this video. Once downloaded, print it out and then slide it into one of these acrylic sign holders. So it opens up from the top, okay? And you're just going to slide that right in. Now you have a reusable consistency indicator, and you do not have to be printing out these consistency indicators over and over and wasting so much paper. Plus, this is a much more accurate way of testing the consistency of your paints because the paint will not be soaked in the paper because you're going to be placing the drops on this hard plastic holder, and therefore the paint is going to flow a lot easier and it's just going to be a lot more accurate. At the top of this indicator, you'll see that there are some circles. Each of these circles is where you're going to be placing drops of paint and pouring medium. Then you'll see some horizontal lines that are numbered. These numbers correspond to the consistencies listed up here for different techniques. So I'll show you in a bit how to use them, but I just wanted to get you familiar with what you see right here on the indicator. First, have a timer ready and set it to 10 seconds. Carefully place a drop of your paint and pouring medium mix inside one of the circles without letting it go beyond the circle line. Now, tilt the indicator vertically, start the timer, and let the paint drop run down for 10 seconds. After the 10 seconds are up, tilt the indicator horizontally and set it on a table. Check which number the drop of paint stopped at. Compare that number to the consistency numbers listed at the top of the indicator. This will tell you if the consistency aligns with the technique you've chosen. All you have to do after each use is wipe it clean with a baby wipe or a damp paper towel and dry it afterwards really well. And you can even let the paint dry on top of the indicator. And once it's really dry, you can just come and peel that paint right off. So it's super easy to use and reusable, which I absolutely love from this indicator. Now, in what ratios should you be mixing your paints and pouring mediums to get them to that perfect consistency? Well, if you're struggling with this and want to get rid of the frustration of paint mixing, then check out the paint mixing workshop down below. I will see you inside.